In this video, I want to talk about how to draw a cone using a tilted plane. So, I've been reading the book Perspective Made Easy by Ernest Norling. There's a lot of good stuff in that book. I mean, I can't recommend a lot of books, which is kind of sad to say because I thought there'd be a lot of good books out there regarding drawing stuff. I mean, I bet there are, I just haven't found them yet, and I probably need to one day. But this book I'm really, really liking. And sorry, I'm trying to figure out the best way to orient my plane. Okay, I just wanted to plot 4 points here before I start ghosting my lines for my plane. But it's really cool. Like, I'm learning all these techniques, and they're not tricks, they're just like ways to think about perspective, ways to understand perspective, and I really like it. I mean, I want to say I read through the book one time, but I feel like I didn't apply the exercises enough, and I'm really trying to take time to really do a good deal of grinding at the individual exercises, as painful as it can be sometimes, but with the help of coffee, anything is possible. Or tea. Or however you get caffeine. Okay, so we have our plane here. Now I want to divide up that plane. I hope it doesn't... It looks a bit squiggly in some places, but I'm going to just roll with it. Okay, so I'm going to draw a center to divvy up our plane. So now I'm going to draw a line. It's kind of just like assuming a line. About here. So the cool thing is I'm now going to draw a point, let's say about here. You know what, just for, well no, I'll keep it like this. I'm trying to ghost every line that I draw. So we have, sorry, I'm going to try to do it clean. Okay, I'm actually going to copy this plane because I'm going to do two things. The first thing I'm going to show is really how to do it. So considering perspective, we have all of these, the lines of these planes should be going towards the same vanishing point. So in this case, I wanted to assume a line out here. And, I'm going to draw the lines real quick. I'm ghosting. So pretty much what I did is I kind of made an interconnected area between these two lines. And now I'm going to draw an ellipse. I want the center of the ellipse to like encapsulate that point. Kind of like that. So back here I'm going to draw another ellipse. So basically using that method, we have a cylinder in 3D space on a plane. Now the thing here is, I wanted to draw a cone, so the book pretty much was talking about in this instance what you do is you make another line kind of shoot up a little bit, and the whole point of that line, which I'll show you soon, is you take it, make it towards a point, and basically like this line right here is shooting straight up. So now I'm going to draw the ellipse, the initial ellipse of our cone. About like that. And right here's the point that I wanted to make the cone at. So I have that. I drew a line here to that point, and I drew the other line to connect to that point, and there we have it. We have our cone. Now I want to take a step back. I kind of want to make this a little bit further out just so it's more apparent. Like, what if I make it really far? About here. Well, that's too far. But I'll make it right here just to show again, because there's a lot of overlap going on here. And I just want to make it more clear for you. Yeah, that's good. So this is the point where we wanted to go to. There. Yeah. And there we have it. We have our cone on a plane. Pretty cool, right? Maybe. I find it cool, at least. Well, thanks for sticking around in this video. If you have a question, please put it in the comments. If you like my video, please like it. And if you like my channel, please subscribe. And thank you for sticking around. Bye.